for the courses, but that does not mean that I will not be providing you notes for that. I will be providing notes, but then right now I haven't prepared any PPT due to conserve the time as I have a little time issues. Okay, so today we will read about the relationship between TR, MR, and AR, and we will read it under two conditions. Okay, two conditions, that is your perfect competition. Perfect competition, and is your monopoly or monopolistic. Holistic, okay. This monopoly or monopolistic conditions. Okay, you know course there are two conditions under which you have to read the relationship between TR, MR and AR. In perfect competition, the TR, MR and AR relationship what are the conditions, and your monopoly and monopolistic market. It is perfect competition and it is a monopoly and monopolistic market. Monopoly and monopolistic market is TR, MR and AR. Okay. Now we will start with under perfect competition. Okay. We will start with under perfect competition. I'll write it. Don't worry. Is my blackboard visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Under perfect competition. Okay. Now what is perfect competition? Perfect competition is the market where there are a lot of competitors. Why? Because there are a lot of sellers. In the perfect competition, always remember the price is equal to constant. Price is always constant in your perfect competition. Perfect competition means perfect competition is the competition or is the market where there are lot many competition. Obviously, from the name we can understand there is a lot many competitions, and as well as there are lot of competitors and there are lot of why there are lot of competitors. That's the basic question, and the basic answer is because there are lot of sellers. Okay, everyone have been to Bapuji Nagar market. समस्त Bapuji Nagar market आज के मैंने कभी लाइव ट्रेन टोटल ऐसे ना.
Yes, ma'am.
बापूजी नगर मार्केट एग्जांपल रे मु बापूजी नगर मार्केट को नोची भुवनेश्वर. ओके, व्हाई बापूजी नगर मार्केट कोन पे जाइछ चणा खाया भाई.
Yes, ma'am. थोड़े सीधे वहीं जाएगी.
चणा खाया भाई बापूजी नगर मार्केट आछो के सोना पैकेट टा कोन तंबर से 5 टंका एठी हमर 3 टंका ना कोन.
No, ma'am. Actually, गोटे काम होतला कौन पे तो basically तो से
Okay, why is Bapuji Nagar market famous normally? बापूजी नगर मार्केट कौन पे फेमस है ना बापूजी बोलियो. बापूजी नगर market is famous for electronics, for your wholesale things. One minute. हमें फोन ले लो. Yeah, sorry for that. It was an office call. Okay. Now, why Bapuji Nagar market is famous? Bapuji Nagar market is famous for the electronic availability of number of shops are there. सेठी बहुत सारा दुकान अच्छे and से बहुत सारा दुकान रे तमरो सब जिंस मिल जिवो. In Bapuji Nagar you will find everything starting from your electronics to your daily utensils. घरे से जो utensils जो डब्बा हो, container ho, mobiles ho, mainly for electronics. I know it is into my knowledge. अरे मोबाइल कोड किणियार अछि ना चल जे बापूजी नगर किणिया. बापूजी नगर कोन पे किणिया काना सेठी वैरायटी ऑफ दुकान अछि एंड समस्तंग पाखरे तमरे जो भी सेट ऑफ मोबाइल खोजुचो that is available. See now what do you mean by that? When I am searching for MI11 Lite, it's a new phone. Are you guys aware about it? MI11 Lite it will cost you online 21,000. approx. When you contact, what I generally do, I generally compare the price of offline and your online market when I buy certain things like phone or like any headset, or if I buy any laptop, a mouse, Logitech mouse, if I use for my laptop, Bluetooth mouses. So if I want to buy that thing, I always compare the price of online and offline. So in offline, how do I compare it? Mobile account chat the key compare no. I contact the stores, and the stores are located where it is located in Bapuji Nagar. Okay, normally the stores are located in Bapuji Nagar. Okay, now we will not discuss about Bapuji Nagar more. Why did I throw an example of Bapuji Nagar here is because if gote MI phone miluchi 11,000 re, से 11,000 टा बापुजी नगर गोटे दुकान रे 11,000 मिलुची माने सबु दुकान रे 11,000 मिलिबो ना 11,000 तळको मिलिबो जणे 11,000 बिकिला जणे 8,000 जणे 5,000 एमती बिकियो कि?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Because price will be constant everywhere.
This is the only reason.
Because that.
Is this the only reason the price will be constant for that reason?
Yes, ma'am.
Price constant I have told you earlier only. मुझे तब ते एटा एबे न कहि थांती तो मते कोन आंसर दे थांतु?
Ma'am, because MI cost is rupees 11,000, so that will also be same at every place.
You're going to boundary line answer. You're giving a perfect answer, but you're touching the boundary line and coming back. You go just article, you will have a 4. Okay, fine. Why is 11,000 रे गोटे दुकान 11,000 बिकुची आ गोटे दुकान 11,000 बिकिबो कोन पई प्राइस इट इज समान कोन पई जल्दी जोटे लोकानी एबे गोटे ए गोटे शॉप अछि बी गोटे शॉप अछि एमती न्यूमरस दुकान अछि बापूजी नगर रे ए बिकुची 11,000 रे बी बिकुची 14,000 रे मु 11,000 पाकु जी ना 14,000 पाकु जी?
Ma'am, 11,000.
11,000. So why price is constant? Because if someone is going to increase the price, he is going to bear the loss. If someone is the price, if there's a price, एबे 11,000 से कम नहीं कि 9,000 कर देले, तार loss होगा ना तार?
Yes, ma'am.
तो यदि कमौची then तार भी loss होची. एठी यदि कमे की बढ़े की बिकुची ताको केही जिबेनी. एठी से कमेला तार loss होची. That is why when there are lot many competitors in the perfect competition, your price is always constant and there is a lot of competition in the market. Why? Because there are lot many sellers. Understood? Bujhesla?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will hear. Okay. Okay. Just try to look at it. Okay. Q is your price. That means it's your AR. This is your TR. This is your MR. Okay. Now suppose 1, 10, your rupees 10, your rupees 10. 2, 10, is your 20, your 10, 10 will be your 30, your 10. Okay, now what is the TR formula?
Ma'am, P into Q, price into output.
Very good. Price is equal to AR, so AR into Q. Okay. Now marginal revenue can be 10 minus 0, 10, 20 minus 10, 10, 30 minus 20, 10. Bujhesla emata bujhesla. How MR is calculated? 10 minus 0, 10, 20 minus 10, 10, 30 minus 10, 10, 30 minus 20, 10. That is the formula, na? MR formula kona? What is the formula? Del change. Okay, fine. Now here the price is constant. price rate constant अछि ना change होई
No, ma'am, constant.
So your first condition is your AR is equal to MR. तो हमारे AR टे MR से तो समान नहीं. Your
Yes,
AR is
ma'am.
equal to MR.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now Y always equal to and parallel to x-axis. Okay. Now there is two graph. Eight को समस्त note down करके keep it in your mind. Okay. Okay, we can do one thing. I'll draw the graph out. Okay. Okay. Now,
Ma'am?
AR is equal to MR. Yeah.
Ma'am, the graph is not visible. Yes, ma'am. Now it's.
Yeah. Actually, my table got down. Okay. Now your AR is equal to MR is constant, always equal to parallel to x-axis. So our AR is equal to MR. Okay. Now AR which is 10, our MR is 10 years. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. Okay. Now this is your x-axis.
Yes,
This is your y-axis. So your AR is equal
Yes,
to
ma'am.
MR and it's always parallel to x-axis. Okay, understood. This is the first condition. Okay, and as your output increases, so TR increases constantly. Output increases 1, 2, 3, empty continuously chalithiba. Graph pe jodi mo bodo karibi. Okay, now your TR is
Yes, ma'am.
increasing 10 ru 20, 20 ru 30, 30 ru 40, 40 ru 50, sabki em chalibo. So your second condition is as output increases, your TR increases constantly. TR tamara constantly baduchi na majro kamuchi, then baduchi, then empty baduchi, then kamuchi. TR tamara constantly baduchi. This graph. Your first condition, this is the second condition graph. When TR is continuously increasing, your constantly it is increasing. That is your TR. बुझिएसला এটা concept বুঝিয়েসলা
Yes, ma'am.
Now your under perfect competition is this much. Each doubt achi, what is perfect competition? Perfect competition is the market where is a lot many competition. Now why there are a lot many competition? The logic is because there are a lot many sellers and your always price is constant in your perfect competition. Example, Bapujinagar market, mobile phone 11,000. Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
First condition is AR is equal to MR and it is always parallel to x-axis. Your AR is equal to MR. Kemiti hala. I have shown you the proof in the table. Tabular formula.
Yes, ma'am.
Tabular form. Your TR is always increasing is your second condition. TR is always increasing constantly. How? AR into Q, price into output. Concept clear? What is this? Okay. Now I have told you that we will read the relation between MR, TR and AR in two conditions. One was a perfect competition and the other one was your monopoly and monopolistic market.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll read about monopoly. It's not visible. Okay, I'll give you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Monopoly means what? Your mono means one and your poly means market, okay? Monopoly is that your mono means single and poly means market. That is why it is called as monopoly. Monopoly माने कौन? Market रे सिए ही गोटे single अच्छी जीए राज करूँ. बाकी गोटे single market रे गोटे company राज कला. That is your monopoly market. Now, who can say me who is having a bright example of monopoly market? Market रे किए राज कोची?
Ma'am, Reliance.
Reliance. Reliance is having a competitor of Bharti. That is a Airtel. Think there is only one market. Okay, I'll tell you the definition of monopoly. Monopoly market is that market where there is only one seller. Okay, there is only one seller. Gotte he seller achi je raj korchi, and he is doing that. He is the king of the business, and he is doing that business since quite a long time. I can give you quite good examples. Just think a little. Railways. आउके प्राइवेट कंपनी तमरो चले दोची ट्रेन चले दोची ना खाली गवर्नमेंट रे पेटे चलुची रेलवेज ई सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट कोण your railway is run by any private company?
No, ma'am.
So who is running the market?
Government.
Is there any other company who can take up that and run their private trains on the track?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So see, railway in the public sectors, public services like the railways are provided by the government, and cause new partners on any public farms, and the companies are not allowed to run the railways. So railways is only run by your government. So it is the single market. It is the monopoly market. Okay, I'll
Yes,
give you
ma'am.
another example of is your Microsoft. Microsoft is having 75% of share in the market. Okay, and it is the only company that holds this monopolistic platform in the tech space. In the world of technology, Microsoft is having 75% of the market share. Almost he is the king, not almost. He is having the what do you say? He is having the dominating character in the tech space. In the tech space, is there anyone who is competitor of Microsoft right now? There will be no competitors. Why? Because Microsoft buys every new company. Chota mota companies Microsoft buy it every then and then. One company is coming out, Microsoft will go and buy it, and it will buy in a very good amount of price. So every company comes in the market goes under the Microsoft. He is having 75% of share. Okay, I will give you an example of Luxottica. Now, who is Luxottica? Your Luxottica is a company which owns all the major brand of sunglasses. Okay. You see different brands of the sunglasses, right? Ray-Ban, Oakley, Vogue
Yes,
Eyewear,
ma'am.
and your Arneti and your Oliver Peoples. Yeah, Oliver Peoples is there in the market. Arneti, I haven't heard. I have discovered that quite lately. Ray-Ban is always there. Ray-Ban, you guys would know. Ray-Ban is there. Your Oliver Litz is there. Your Arneti is there. Your Oliver People is there. So this all brand is owned by Luxottica. Okay, and now we know that there are different kinds of brands, but we do not know that this different kinds of brands are manufactured by this brand, Luxottica. Okay, it manufactures all the sunglasses that we have people deceive. Deception different brand market like Tamarachi, Ray-Ban. People used to think that Ray-Ban is the only brand. No, the manufacturing company is Luxottica. and it has the utmost 80% of the eyewear in the world are manufactured by Luxottica. So he is the monopoly market in the eyewear section. Okay, got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is monopolistic market? Monopoly market means which is one seller. Monopolistic. Monopolistic market is that market where there are only few farms, not too much or less, but there are some buyers. But there are some farms and buyers. Okay. Now your monopolistic market is the market there are few farms. You know, बेसी नहीं कम नहीं many it is there are few farms and there are also buyers because agency for example you can take it of salons, hair salons, your restaurants, and your hair salons. There are not too much, there are not too less. So that is what your monopolistic farm is or monopolistic market is all about. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, what is the difference between monopolistic market and under perfect competition?
मैंने तो क्वेश्चन है ऊपर
Ma'am, under perfect competition, there is competition between various sellers.
The
Ma'am,
price is constant. Price is constant. Do not forget that factor. There is a hell
ma'am,
lot
but
of difference between monopolistic and monopoly and price. Perfect market. They are very different. Monopolistic market there is no price is never constant. Price factor is not constant.
yes, ma'am.
Monopoly हो monopolistic हो गोटे कथा भावे 11,000 टंकार फोन टा तते कोन माने सबडी 11,000 ना तोरी पाखरे 11,000 आको पाखरे 12,000 13,000 सेमते नहीं
No,
11,000
ma'am.
is
No,
but एठी you take the example of Ray-Ban गोटे eyeglass तार 2,000 आसिले you can find it online at different price offline at different price and
yes,
there are
ma'am.
various ranges ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ salon ର service to vary କରୁଛି ନା ନାହିଁ B21 price varies from the green trends right
Yes,
so your
ma'am.
price is a major factor and that is the differentiation they're very different how can you combine them together
Okay, ma'am.
yeah okay in a monopoly and monopolistic market we can change the price because there are too many products so if your question about the answer is written away I have written in the notes I knew you would ask this question I mean if there would be a doubt in this question so I have written it in monopoly and monopolistic market we can change price because there are too many products so price decreases if you buy 10 pen gote 10 ta pen ku tu etore buy karibu you are going to buy the 10 pen price in the one price gote pen paisa re kete 10 tanga hele tu 10 ta pen ku sei 10 tanga re buy karibu but if you buy your
Yes,
100
ma'am.
pens you are going to get the relaxation 9 into 100 नहीं जा ओके ना मु बल्क रे किनली बोली मते प्राइस एटी दुकानी कोन करे बल्क रे 300 नोच 5 टका 6 टका काटी दे ना काटी देनी
Yes, ma'am.
ना जेतेबेले तू 10 टा पेन किनछु से 10 टका प्राइस रे किनछु तो बल्क रे किनले तो प्राइस कमी जाउची सो हियर देयर आर जस्ट चेंजेस अछि बट तू से जो जाई से दुकान में कि 11,000 टका फोन तू 11 टा किनले से 11,000 टका नहीं दबु बिकॉज़ दैट इज द प्राइस okay
Yes, ma'am.
nobody is going to give a relaxation on a laptop that you are buying 32,000 he is going to ask you for 32,000 only there is no changes
Yes, ma'am.
okay I'll draw two graphs over here Let's see. This is your total revenue. There are only two factors to consider in this graph. Okay, this graph seems to be there are a lot of things, but there is only two factors I can tell you, and it's very easy. Okay, your TR will never be negative. Total revenue तुम्हारा negative के में होगा कि think logically. Total revenue will your increase, and then at that point it can become constant. Then it will decrease. But then will it become constant? Will it become negative ever? Total revenue. Think of total
No,
revenue.
ma'am.
And total revenue is never
No,
going to
ma'am.
be. Okay, it can increase. It will then decrease. But then it will
Yes,
never be
ma'am.
negative. Is there anything more to understand from this graph? Your MR can be negative, but your AR will never be negative. AR माने कौन? Your AR is equal to price. AR is equal to price. Will your price ever
Yes,
be
ma'am.
negative? Will your
No,
price ever?
ma'am.
No. Your MR can be negative. Your marginal revenue can be negative. Right? Am I wrong or am I right?
Ma'am, how?
Okay. Now, please remember the table when you used to law of diminishing return. We have studied. I have showed you in a graph. First, go take 4, 5, 0, minus 2, minus 3. I have shown you in a graph.
Ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
how can it become negative? Your MR
Yes,
can be negative,
ma'am.
but your
Yes,
AR
ma'am.
will never be negative. Marginal revenue can be negative. Why can't it be negative? तो हमारा marginal revenue एबे धरा करो certain I give you a certain product. एबे जो हमें math टा करथले the output. Okay, this map, this table that I showed you. This was the table, right?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When you count, এটা যদি আমি count করি বড়ে বড়ে যাবি my marginal revenue it will come at certain point that it will become negative.
It will become negative. Yes, ma'am.
Can become negative. A math
Yes,
mu
ma'am.
1 to 3 পর্যন্ত করলি. If you go on counting 10, then you increase everything. Then there will be a certain point your marginal revenue will become, it will become negative.
Negative. Yes, ma'am.
So it can be negative, but your AR will never be negative.
No, ma'am.
Understood? One thing, join again.
Okay, ma'am.
अब 6 मिनट से join कर दो.